My name is Kien and people call me Kien. My company name is Blue Star Air Conditioning Trade as Blue Star Electric. Our company specializes in design, supply, install, and service air conditioning for domestic and for commercial. I come from South Vietnam. After 1975, we have lost the war to the communists of North Vietnam. My father advised me to flee the country. I was 19. I have a few clothes and some dry rice, searching for freedom and opportunity. I fled Vietnam. I was on the ocean for 7 days and 8 nights on a little boat. The second day we have pretty big wave. I got seasick. We get to the refugee camp on a little island which belonged to Indonesia. There was nothing on the island. We have to do what we can to survive. The biggest challenge for me to deal at that time is just the homesick. I miss my family. Sorry. On the 13th of January 1979, that was the day that I have arrived in Australia. I didn't even have any money on me. They took me to a hostel. That's where I stayed 6 months before I found a job. After 4 years working in an electrical contracting, finally I met Thang. He was in air conditioning industry as well, and we decided to open a small showroom. Since then, we worked very hard every day. After I closed the shop, I went out and kept working on installations. Most of the time, I don't get home just before midnight. After 2.5 years, we have saved big money. So we actually repurchased that warehouse and make a bigger showroom. Now we have about 35 staff. We started with very little money. We was renting the shop only for $350 per week. That's include everything. that's the cheapest shop that I can afford back then. But now, from the report of our accountant, I think we up to about $45 million of turnover. The greatest achievements for me, my son, they are in the business. I have a good wife who gives me a lot of support. I'm very happy with my current living standard. I don't drive luxury car. We are very blessed, and since Australia is our home, Australia is a lucky country. I came here without anything. I got nothing. If I can do it, I think other people can too.